birthday ni Loloy.
Sabado.
Gawin siguro ng kanang manok.
Ante mo na.
Yan daw. Kuha na siya dalawa sa kuhaan. Gawin galing siguro na ano.
Yeah, he's the protector. Watching over his little chickens. Babies. Oh, he's hungry too, looks like. Huh. So what's going on over there? He's got to investigate, yes.